Alright, so here's our C chord. C chord, we're going to block off that E again. We're going to play the 3rd fret on our A string, 2nd fret on our D string, the middle finger, open G, 1st fret on the B string, and then an open E up top. Again, one more time. Blocking off our low E, 3rd fret on our A, ring finger, middle finger on our 2nd fret on the D string, open G, pointer finger, 1st fret of the B string, and then high E. Just one note at a time. I'll give you the fret numbers too. Blocking off that low E, 3, A, 2nd fret D, open G, 1st fret B, open high E. One note at a time. Time again.